When it comes to designing furniture legs that are not only durable but also stunning, every detail matters. At Flowyline, we don't just choose any finish, we choose powder coating. But why? Let's break it down. Powder-coated finishes are incredibly tough. They resist scratches, chips, and fading, ensuring that your furniture legs look brand new for years, even in high-traffic areas. Powder coating isn't just for indoor use. It's built to withstand the elements. Rain, humidity, or even UV exposure. Powder-coated furniture legs are protected from rust, corrosion, and discoloration. Unlike traditional liquid paints, powder coating is solvent-free, meaning it releases no harmful volatile organic compounds into the air. It's not just better for your furniture, it's better for the planet. Powder coating doesn't just protect, it enhances. With a range of finishes, we ensure your furniture legs look as great as they perform. Powder coating creates a protective layer that shields your furniture legs from moisture, rust, and UV rays. That means less maintenance for you. When you choose furniture legs from Flowyline, you're not just getting exceptional design, you're supporting a process that's better for you and the planet. Strong, stylish, weatherable, sustainable.